Hi everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to check and use a bin-to-bin merge report in the specific warehouse. Bin-to-bin merging is the process of transferring products from one bin to another when both bins are half-filled with the same product, batch number, manufacturing date, and storage location, SLOC. This process is typically used to optimize warehouse space. Step to check. Go to the report screen and click on the report. And then search the report name as bin-to-bin merges. From the report drop-down, select the warehouse from the warehouse drop-down and click on the submit button. Now you can see the bin-to-bin merge in the grid. Here product milk powder 27 quantity exists in bin P39, but the product max capacity is 45, so we can merge bin number N48 product in P39 because others have the same product and batch number with the same SLOC. Thank you for watching the video.